to withdraw from Charles Schwab. Okay, if this has been your question, like what this writer said, how to withdraw on Charles Schwab, that's what I'm going to explain now. So if you've not followed me, just follow me. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, because in this channel we discuss everything money. So if you're on Charles Schwab and you don't know how to withdraw from the platform yet, just stay tuned, because that's what I'm going to teach in this channel. See you. Alright, this is my Charles Schwab. Please concentrate on the middle. That's my Charles Schwab. Let's say we want to withdraw. So you click on withdraw. Don't forget that the minimum amount you can withdraw is 1,000 naira. Right there I have 837 naira. But I'm doing this video now because I will soon be paid another 837 naira. So I will have 1,600. We're already in withdraw. Do you understand? Then for those that have not bind card, you bind your bank details. This is the binding. You put your account name, you put your bank name and your account number. Do you understand? After binding, you submit. You click on submit. Okay. You choose your bank. That's why I said put your bank name. You choose your bank. It is not all banks that are supported here, so you click on that place showing bank name to see if your bank is there. If your bank is not there, you can just go and open a Kuda account, because Kuda is supported and is the easiest to open right now amongst all the banks that are there. So click on your bank. Mine is showing loading because of network. Mingoma, it's saying that I have been successfully binded. You click on submit. Do you understand? So you submit it, then you go back to the withdrawal scene. You see my money is already 1,647 naira. Me, I like to withdraw and leave 0 naira. So I'm putting my 1,647 naira and click on withdraw. Now you see that this place will be showing pending. You see it immediately. It's now showing pending. Then you wait to see when it enters your bank. You can go back to your dashboard. That's what I'm doing. I'm going back to my dashboard. My account balance is already showing 0. I'm sure you can see it now. It's showing 0. Account balance 0. I will now go back to my dashboard. Everything is 0. So it's just for you to wait for alert. It depends on network. Sometimes it's 5 minutes time, 10 minutes time, 20 minutes time. Now I'm ending the screen recording. Are you checking that of my Zenith account? It's already showing 1,400 because they took their 15% from the money. It is as easy as that.